Hi my friends, I will be eating 2 eggs today. Extra large, or do you say extra large? Extra or extra? I usually say extra large. And I'll be eating some mayonnaise with it. I think you call it mayonnaise. I always say mayonnaise, just the same way I always have said it, the way I said it in Germany. The cup will be for the pails. I decided to eat my eggs with curry powder. Now I have 2 different curry powders and I'm gonna see which one tastes best. I thought, what can I eat my egg with? What can I have with my egg? Eat with my egg, huh? So I thought, curry powder today. Yep. I have this one. Did you know that curry is not just one spice, it's a mixture of spices? Ingredients: organic coriander, organic turmeric, organic mustard, organic cumin, organic fenugreek, organic paprika, organic cayenne, organic cardamom, organic nutmeg, organic cinnamon, and organic cloves. Let's peel it. I don't know, what about that color? Looks a little weird. I know what it could be after I've read all of these ingredients. It must be an organic egg. But what's an organic egg? Is there such a thing except the chickens were fed organic food? Ooh, I don't know. Let's eat it. I have another curry powder, but I remember this being really spicy. It says a blend of coriander, fenugreek, clove and other seasonings. For the first bite, I will not put any curry on. It's good. I remember as a kid, if the inside was dark, we called it, that's a devil egg. And the light one was the angel. So, I don't know. I almost put on a little bit too much curry. Put on a little bit of mayonnaise. Mayo. Today is January 20th, 2017. And today, Donald Trump became the President of the United States of America. He talked about making many good changes for this country. Can't talk with my mouth full, talking about the president. I'm gonna peel this one now. And let me show you, I saved this tiny little spoon from when we went on an airplane many years ago. The spice, the curry powder, for some reason does not have a shaker like a sieve on it. So I'll do it like this. Actually, I spilled some. I missed because I'm filming. Oh, that's the lid. Let me show you the ingredients on this. Curry powder, coriander, cumin, salt, turmeric, paprika, cinnamon, rice flour, fenugreek, pimento, garlic, onion, parsley, mustard, pepper, chili, dill, clove, fennel, celery, ginger, bay, cardamom, and nutmeg. Some different ingredients than the other one. Let me show you. I will dip this one into here. It's spicier. I'm holding up my camera. I don't know what I did with this arm. I had problems with my left arm for a very long time. I still do, but it's not as painful. And this arm is somehow funny here. Hope it goes away soon. I'm just gonna eat it. By not putting so much into my mouth all at once. I'm dipping it into the curry powder some more, and I'm gonna add a little bit more mayo because it's a little bit dry. I like this better. When I use this curry powder, a while back on something, I really didn't like it as much. It was too spicy, and something I cooked, I guess a soup, or put it on meat or something, and I like it on this one a lot. Hold on, there's a little hair. We watched the inauguration of the presidency this morning, and first I didn't know how to say that word. I had never learned how to say that word. My husband is here too. He already finished his egg, and maybe he will tell what it means. Inauguration.
It's a beginning, and a president is inaugurated at the beginning of his 4 years of office, and at the end of that he leaves. But he's inaugurated on Inauguration Day. It's the beginning of his presidency. It means beginning.
Yeah, okay. You guys heard it? Exactly. Look how much I ate. Ooh, I like it. Those 2 eggs went down real easily. I usually don't want to put too much mayonnaise on it, but it does get a little bit dry, the egg. So I'm gonna eat it like this. The last bit of it. I love that curry spice. I really do. I love you, my friends. Have a good day. An exactly perfect day. Exactly. Bye. Bye. Bye, my friends. Love ya. Love ya. A kiss. clean mouth kiss. Let me show you. There's a recipe. Lamb Rogan Josh. Is that what you say? I don't know. Josh maybe. Josh or Josh? Probably Josh. I should have looked it up before I filmed it. Okay, it says fry 2 chopped onions with 2 crushed cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger until golden brown. Add 450 grams, which is 1 pound of cubed lean lamb, 3 tablespoons of curry powder, and fry for 5 minutes. Stir in 300 milliliters, which is a half a pint of stock, 400 grams, 14 ounces, a 14-ounce can chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and sugar. Simmer for 45 minutes or until cooked. That sounds delicious, doesn't it? It's nice they give you a recipe on your product. Bye. Love ya.